Meaning of knockback.
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 Knockback. The term knockback can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, knockback is an idiomatic expression meaning to reject or push back something or someone. In the culinary world, knockback is used to describe the process of punching down risen dough in bread making to expel the air and redistribute the yeast. In the context of alcohol, knockback refers to the act of quickly drinking a shot or small serving of hard liquor in one gulp. In other contexts, knockback may refer to a setback or reversal in plans or progress. For example, a business may experience a knockback when a major investor pulls out of a project.